Hi everybody, so today I'm going to teach you how you can sell your items or any product that you want to sell on Temu. So first we want to go to the Temu website, and then what you want to do here is we want to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the web page, and you'll see here partner with Temu. So just click on that and make sure to read the code of conduct and as well as the list of prohibited products. So let's click on this one. So this is their code of conduct. So every seller must follow the rules of Temu that's listed here. It's only 3 pages, so make sure to read that before signing up for their seller's account. And then afterwards, just click this one to see the list of prohibited items or products. So there are quite a lot, so make sure to view this as well. And then afterwards, for you to be able to sell on Temu, click this link or email and send them an email of the item that you want to sell. So make sure that you input here the name of your store. At the same time, what items or products will you be selling? So is it accessories? Is it clothing? Or is it gadget related? So just put there every info that's needed for the items or services or for the merchandise that you will be selling. And then afterwards, you will be receiving an email from Temu regarding the next steps of your partner application. Now, if you want to be a logistics provider for Temu, you can also apply as a logistics provider here on shippingpartner@temu.com. So that's it. Basically, what you have to do, just scroll down, click partner with Temu, read the code of conduct, and make sure that the products you're about to sell are not in their prohibited list. And then afterwards, just send them an email and make sure all the details of the products that you're going to sell are complete. Thanks for watching, and we hope we were able to help you out. And please, if this video was able to help you out, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Only here on Telc Help Guide.